Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili for chili dogs. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large pot over medium-high heat. Ensure you break up the meat into very small, even pieces as it cooks. This creates the perfect texture for chili dog chili. Once fully browned, drain any excess fat from the pot to keep your chili from being greasy. Now let's build that essential flavor. After draining the meat, add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, cooking until softened, about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your spices. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Finally, pour in 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, mixing everything well. The next step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Add 1 cup of beef broth and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard to the pot, stirring to combine all ingredients. Bring the chili mixture to a gentle simmer over low heat. Allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes, or even longer for richer flavor, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious chili dog chili is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. You might also add a dash of hot sauce if you like extra heat. This rich, savory chili is perfect for topping your favorite hot dogs. For the best chili dog experience, serve it warm. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.